Hello everybody, welcome to my channel Cooking Addiction. Today I will be demonstrating a vegetable dish called as Cabbage Foogath, and it is a favorite and staple vegetable of every Goan. So let's see how we prepared.
Heat coconut oil in a vessel. Add mustard seeds, cumin seeds, curry leaves, and dried red chillies and allow them to sizzle. Next, add sliced onions and saute till the onions are soft. Add turmeric powder, ginger garlic paste, slated green chilies, and fry for a few minutes. Add the shredded cabbage, salt, sugar, and water, and cover the lid and cook it for 10 to 15 minutes on medium flame. Finally, add grated coconut and cook for 5 to 6 minutes on medium flame. Serve as a side dish along with rice or just with rotis.
If you like this video, kindly like, comment and share, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel to get all my latest updates. Thank you.